Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kasie Oswald or Teacher Kasie. I'm here in my classroom and I'm going to do the Good Fortune box unboxing. So I like to open it in front of you so you can see my reaction to what's inside. The only thing I've done is cut the bottom. So all right, the Good Fortune box is a box for teachers, made by teachers. Or I always tell my friends, if you're a homeschooling mom, a brick and mortar teacher, or just want some fun things, I love what's been in these boxes so far, then you should really check out the Good Fortune box. For $5 off well, I can put the link below. Just use my first name in all caps and they will give you $5 off, which shipping is $5, so it's pretty much free shipping. All right, let's check it out. I love the box. It's always fun. And opening it up. And it always comes with I say always, all the boxes I've had since, I think February or March, I think February, have had the same kind of wrapping. So it comes with a card to let me know what's in there. And it comes with a little sticker. I usually try to save the sticker. It works out sometimes, but I always like that it's wrapped in tissue paper too. It looks pretty and it's fun. So, and I know they hand pack these. All right, looking at what we have here. Let's see. Oh, a t-shirt. Should I have shown this last? I don't know. Super cute. It says, can you see? If you are going to rise, you might as well shine. Oh, that's cute. I like it. Let's see, what does it say about the shirt? Rise and shine t-shirt. Let's celebrate being awake and owning it while everyone else is sleeping. Many of us online teachers have that problem. So we have a lot of Facebook groups that we can communicate while we're up in the middle of the night and everyone else is sleeping. You all are amazing teachers and your students appreciate you being there for them, even if you are still in your pajamas. Who teaches in their pajamas? At least pajama bottoms, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, and I always love that there's these little fortune cookies in here. I have been saving them because, as some people know, at VIPKid we give the kids 5 of something as a reward. So 5 stars, or you give them any other kind of reward. So I've been saving these. This one, little sunflower one, it was last month, I think. So now I have this one. And there was a month with rainbows, so I had that one. So I'll leave them in there. And since you can't get this box unless you already ordered it, I'll read what it says. Whatever makes you feel the sun from the inside out, chase that. Whatever makes you feel the sun from the inside out, chase that. Cute. Okay, so I keep my fortunes and then I put my fortune cookie in my little drawer. Okay, what else do I have? Oh, what is this? Rise before the shine. Coffee scrub. Ooh, it's a coffee sugar scrub. Add exfoliation to your morning routine with this fragrant sugar scrub. Try it on your face or hands, but do not ingest. Ooh, let's see. Smells like coffee. I love coffee and I love scrubs, so this is pretty much up my alley right there. It is from Etsy.com, shop Megan Streets or Megan's Treats. Let's see, is she on here? All right, I'll have to look and see. Featured teacher. Oh, there's another featured teacher on here. Okay, so that was the Rise and Shine Coffee Sugar Scrub. Coffee Bites, a coffee and chocolate boost. Yum. Cafe Joe Coffee Bites. Jumpstart your classes with an energy boosting combination of 100% real Arabica coffee and chocolate. If you're craving a little caffeine, enjoy a coffee bite or two. 2 bites equals 1 serving of espresso. Those of you that know me know I love coffee. Love coffee. So this is pretty much a box for Kasie. Okay, if you are going to rise, you might as well shine. Oh, neat. This would be great for online or in-class student strengths, struggles, and notes. Man, that's a great idea. And it's a good pad. There's a bunch in here. Love it. Let's see if it tells you who these are from. No. It doesn't say where these are from, but they're super. Oh, the eslboutique.com. Great. Okay, let's see. And a recipe card. Oh, I know I'm not going to be able to say this right. Congee, Chinese rice porridge. So there's a recipe for the porridge. And I think they eat this at breakfast. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know in the comment box below. Or maybe it'll tell me on my paper. Recipe card. Start your morning like our students in China. This classic Chinese breakfast is a savory rice porridge that is super easy to make. Enjoy the basic version of this popular dish or dress it up with your favorite toppings. Great. Oh, super fun. Oh, snap. A little pop socket. That's super cute. Now, guys, I've heard a little trick with these, and if I would have known this was in here, I would have set it up. But I was told that you could put them on the back of these, so you just kind of hold your whiteboard with the pop socket, and you can hold it up that way. Oh, so I could use this and write with my right hand. Oh, that's perfect. So, super excited to try that pop socket out. Wonder if it'll stick to the back of those. And this is a Rise and Shine, TexasWoodcrafts.com. It says, thanks for supporting our small business. Let's see. It says, oh, wait, what is this? Is this, let's see, headphone stand. Keep your teaching space organized with this one-of-a-kind solution. Just assemble the feet of the bottom and rest the top of your headphones in the sun. Oh, that's so neat. Feeling creative? Stain or paint your stand to match your classroom theme. Be sure to show us a picture. So do you see the sun right there? You just put your headphones. Oh, I'll use these. I have a spare over there, but so you just put your headphones there. How cool is that? That's so cute. Okay, so that's the headphone stand and the pop socket. Let me see. Pop one of these cool tools onto the back of your whiteboard, phone, or other props that are difficult to hold. Fun idea. The circle can also rest in the sun cutout of your headphone stand. Oh, super fun. And there was one more thing I wanted to tell you was about these. I just read. Featured teachers, Dana Johnson, ESL Boutique. Dana has created a customized classroom notepad for all subscribers this month. Check out her other designs and collections at www.theeslboutique.com. Don't forget to use code ESLB for $5 off any order of $25 or more. And that offer is good until August 1st. I'm not affiliated with them. It's just a coupon that they're offering. And the last thing, Angie Penny Packer, Creative Crafts by Ange. If you were on the winning Dragon Boat team, you have a prize pack for this box that includes, okay. So I wasn't on the winning team. All subscribers can use code RISENSHINE10 for 10% off at her site, and I will put that in the description box below, or I'll put it on the screen so you all can see it. And then there's a thank you from Sam and Rachel. Support our community by sharing pictures of your box and its contents on social media by using hashtag #TheGoodFortuneBox. Rachel and Sam. This is June 2020. So what I like is you get the June box, but there are things to use in July usually. So, all right, everyone, that's all I have for you this time. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, hit the bell, subscribe, then hit the bell so you know when I go live or when I post another video just like this or anything else about teaching. And I will see you next time. Thanks, everybody. Happy teaching. Goodbye.